Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the Xiaomi Watch S4 vs Xiaomi Watch S3. Let's dive into features. Starting with thickness, the S4 measures 47.3 millimeters, just a tiny bit thicker than the S3 at 47 millimeters. When it comes to weight, the S4 is slightly heavier at 44.5 grams, while the S3 is 44 grams, not much of a difference. Both watches feature a stainless steel bezel, so they're equally durable and stylish. And yes, eSIM support is available on both models. In terms of water resistance, both watches are rated 5 ATM, making them great for swimming. The body frame, both use aluminum alloy, keeping them lightweight yet sturdy. For the screen type, both pack AMOLED displays with vivid colors. The screen size is identical at 1.43 inches, offering plenty of room for notifications and apps. With a 326 ppi resolution, both displays are super sharp. And the resolution, again the same, 466 by 466 pixels. Now here's the big difference: brightness. The S4 shines bright with 2200 nits, while the S3 offers 600 nits. That's a huge upgrade for outdoor visibility. Always on display. Neither watch has it, so no differences here. When it comes to battery capacity, both pack a 486 mAh battery, offering plenty of juice. Speaking of battery life is identical at an impressive 15 days for both. For charging, both use magnetic charging, making it super convenient. Looking at WLAN, neither watch includes it, so that's equal again. For Bluetooth, the S4 gets an upgrade with version 5.3, while the S3 sticks with version 5.2. Finally, let's talk sensors. The S4 includes an accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light sensor, and an optical heart rate sensor. Meanwhile, the S3 offers an accelerometer, gyroscope, a high-precision 6-axis sensor, and a PPG heart rate sensor. Now, let's talk about prices. The Xiaomi Watch S4 is priced at 130 euros, while the Xiaomi Watch S3 is a bit more budget-friendly at 109 euros. Let's see pros of both watches. Xiaomi Watch S4 Pros: 2200 nits brightness for unmatched outdoor visibility. Bluetooth 5.3 for faster and more stable connectivity. Xiaomi Watch S3 Pros: affordable price at just 109 euros. High-precision 6-axis sensor for enhanced activity tracking. Xiaomi Watch S4 Cons: higher price at 130 euros, slightly heavier and thicker than the S3. Xiaomi Watch S3 Cons: lower brightness at just 600 nits, older Bluetooth 5.2 compared to S4's 5.3. All right, it's time to declare the winner. The Xiaomi Watch S3 takes the crown, thanks to its sleeker design, lighter weight, and more affordable price. But let's not forget, the Xiaomi Watch S4 shines with its stunning 2200 nits brightness and Bluetooth 5.3 for top-notch connectivity. So what's your pick? Are you Team S3 or Team S4? Let us know below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me.